Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels. We have this funky looking ride. It's a Hot Wheels Poppa Wheelie. We've opened up one of these before on the channel, but this one's from the Hot Wheels drag strip. Number 8 of 10, number 186 of 250 on the year. And the copyright on this one is 2021, so I'm going to guess 2022. What are the Hot Wheels drag strip? Get dragged into some racing fun with these off-the-track speedsters. It's like a metallic gray, it looks like. Let's get it open. Ooh, I almost sliced myself with that plastic. Ready, sit, pop. Ooh, nice pop on the Poppa Wheelie. Everything's grand. Okay, let's see this funky thing. Okay, so we got a fake wheel on the back right there. And that would be the front. So it goes down like that. Oh, oh, oh. Wait a minute. It's supposed to be like this first, and then when it goes. But if you leave it alone, that's how it sits. Alright, do the wheels roll? Yes, yes, yes. It's crazy. It's got this metal bottom made in Malaysia. This car is made in Malaysia. And this is all plastic, everything. All that. Driving on this guy is in the center. See that seat in there? Funky Rides. That's what they should call this series. Funky Rides. Ready? Oh, does that mean it don't roll straight? No, it does. It rolls straight. Just not when I go crazy. Whoa, that's pretty fast. That's a weird drifter. We be weird drifting. Oh. Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's try this way. This doesn't look good either. Whoa! Better than I thought. O-R-E. It's hard to hold this guy. Oh, he spun completely around. That gray you're looking at with all those tampos is metallic. With that spooky eyeball. Same eyeball on both sides? Yeah. Well, not the same one. One's a left and one's a right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button, notification bell. Till next time. T-Ted out.